Task 1. Task 2. For Task 1, I developed a Flutter app where users can enter text through a text form field, select a checkbox to indicate their choice, and choose between yes or no from a drop-down menu. In Task 2, I implemented text input validation to ensure the input is non-empty and at least 3 characters long, displaying an error message if the validation fails. I also integrated a checkbox and drop-down menu, which are initially empty and can be interacted with by users. Upon pressing the Send button, the app validates the text input and updates the checkbox and drop-down values. If all inputs are valid, the text and the selected values are displayed below it. On January 2, at 7 past 11 am, I introduced the temporary variables for managing the checkbox and drop-down selections, updating them only when the Send button is pressed after validation. The UI was enhanced with custom styling for input fields and the checkbox, and I ensured the result is displayed only when the inputs are valid. I also made the Send button functional by linking it to the Send function, which handles validation and state updates. On January 2 at 11 am, I made updates by adding form validation using a form widget and a global key. This allowed for better control over the form state and ensured that the user input was validated before submission. The validation checked that the text input was not empty and had at least 3 characters.